So now we'll be implementing another amazing actually application called sentiment analysis with the help of level 1 architecture. So I think you already know what is sentiment analysis. Let's say there is a like sentence or let's say text. I just need to find the sentiment, whether it's a positive, negative, or neutral. Okay, so this thing actually will be implementing. So again, what you have to do to set up the project, just try to install the requirements. Okay, first of all, activate the environment, create the environment, activate it, and try to install the requirements. So for me, I already have everything. Now again, I have created the .py version of this project. Okay, that means whatever things I have written inside Jupyter Notebook, everything is available in the py file as well. So you can execute this py file. Okay, it's up to you. So let's see the notebook experiment. So first of all, I will load my OpenAI API key, and here I will load my LLM. Okay, and all the detailed definition is already written in this notebook. You can read it. Okay, what is sentiment analysis and all. And now guys, this is the code you can see. So here you can also specify the format, like how like what is the output actually you want to get from your LLM. So for this, I already told you we can use the pydentic. Okay, we can create our base class, and with the help of that we can mention the format. So you can see first of all I'm creating the prompt template. Okay, this is my prompt template. So extract the desired information from the following passes. Only extract the properties mentioned in the classification function. Okay, the classification function we have written. So these are the information I want. I need the sentiment. Okay, that means it will extract the sentiment of that text. Then I need the political tendency. So here the data actually I'm going to pass, it's a political data. So that's why I also want to understand the political tendency. If you're working with the, let's say, sports or let's say movies, okay, you can specify the tendency with respect to that. So here we'll be giving the political data. That's why we're given the political tendency. And then we have given the language. That means the text actually we are passing. So whether it's English text or Spanish text, okay, it will also try to give me that language as well. Okay, so this is my custom class I have created. Now this is my LLM. Okay, I have created the LLM, you can see. And now if I want to use my custom class, what I have to do, guys, a previous project I told you have to use the with structured output. Inside that you have to pass your custom class. Then we have created the chain. Okay, you can see the prompt as well as the LLM. So let me create the chain. Now here I have one sentence. This is actually the reviews actually I collected from the Twitter. So let's say this tweet actually done by one Trump follower. Then again I collected another actually tweet from the Biden follower. So this is the Trump follower. You can see, you can read it. I'm confident that President Trump's leadership. Okay, so this is the tweet I've collected, and this is the Biden follower. Okay, you can see, okay, the Biden related tweet. Now let me mention all of them. Now first of all, let's pass the Trump follower tweet, and let's try to see the sentiment as well as the political tendency and English. So if I execute, so you can see sentiment is positive, political tendency is like pro-Trump, and language is English. Now if I give the Biden follower as well, now again it's a positive, political tendency is liberal. Okay, then text is English. Now you can also change the schema if you want. Let's say you need so here it is only giving the positive and negative. Okay, but let's say you also need the neutral, sad, okay, happy. If you want to specify these are the sentiment, okay, your custom sentiment, that time you can also mention inside this class. Now political tendency wise, you can also mention like different political tendency. Okay, you can also mention the language. Let's say you only want these are the languages, Spanish or English. Okay, now let me again create the class, and the same code I'll be executing. We are creating the chain. Now we are passing the Trump follower. Now you can see now sentiment is happy, and it's conservative, and language English. And if I give the Biden follower, happy, liberal, okay, and English. So yes, that's how we can perform the sentiment analysis, okay, with our level 1 architecture.